How to renew naturally. How to make an habit of daily living that brings renewal to your body. This means the ability to repair. So your immune defense and repair system has to have a reduced defense burden and an increased ability to repair, which depends in turn on essential antioxidants like ascorbate, minerals like magnesium with enhanced uptake of choline citrate, and a wide variety of essential nutrients, which we have included in our Super Multi, our Lifeguard capsules. We had to develop a novel system. We put it through a double-blind placebo-controlled trial, and we have shown superior bioavailability and uptake of antioxidants and minerals, and essentially 40 different cofactors or nutrients that are essential. Our body needs them all in small amounts or larger amounts. And we can know today how much ascorbate to take based on the C cleanse, how much magnesium and choline citrate to take based on morning urine pH. So we can use nature's pharmacy and nature's alkaline way to guide us today in the 21st century to a state of renewal, which means we will be thriving and feeling and functioning well, much younger than our chronology would predict, and to do so for a lifetime. So I'm here to say that over the last decades where we have been putting into practice what I'm sharing with you now, we have seen remarkable improvements when your digestion and metabolism and detoxification improve. The rest of you feels and functions better. You get more restorative sleep. You're able to assimilate, digest, and eliminate foods quickly within 12 to 18 hours, ideally. You get enough of the essential cofactors like omega-3, EPA, DHA, and essential fats. You get enough CoQ10 to energize your battery, your mitochondrial function. The shuttle inside the battery is the CoQ10. But CoQ10 is notoriously insoluble. So following Folker's work, we micelize in 100% rice bran oil, which is challenging but rewarding because it dramatically increases, at least triples, the bioavailability of the coenzyme Q10. So there's a lot of parts today to renewing with all the essentials we need in balance. Not too much, not too little. Goldilocks scenario is really where I prefer to be. Not too much, not too little. Just right is fine for me. So I avoid about 80% of the toxins by choice. The toxins that are in the air, soil, water, food, environment, you can dramatically reduce. For example, have outdoor clothes and shoes and indoor clothes and shoes. You'd be surprised how much toxin you may be bringing into your home. And then you might want to have plants or some ability to clean the air inside, because the air outside, however polluted it is always better than the air inside. From dander to chemicals coming off of the furniture or the floors, the glyphosate, the microplastic, the PFAS. There are so many anti-nutrient, pro-oxidative, harmful chemicals that I want you to avoid mostly, 80%. And the other 20%, you can help your liver and your kidneys and your body detoxify. So, smart supplementation essential. I suggest reading our Thriving in the 21st Century about how to make this transition to healthier habits of daily living, to healthier epigenetics, to healthier feeling and functioning. And I think we need to do this dramatically and comprehensively, but one step at a time is plenty good. Little steps lead up to big benefits. And your reward, in part, is how well you feel and function. I get restorative sleep and I get out of bed and I'm joyful and looking optimistically at the challenges of my day. I go out in the garden and find some herbs or something that's ripe, and I try to live in harmony with the seasons of life. I go to farmers markets and belong to a community-supported agriculture, CSA. Ours happens to be biodynamic. So you can make choices that help you thrive, or you can make choices just to survive. I want you to be thriving. I want us to be laughing and able to have meaningful social interactions because we feel good enough to go out and about and walk or amble or just talk to the neighbors or watch nature. I often go out and watch the birds as they eat in our garden. We have a 15-year-old permaculture biodynamic food forest, and I get much joy out of going out, and right now we have the most delicious cantaloupes and some ripening watermelons that are getting quite big. This is our year of melons. We've never been successful with melons before, but each year nature rewards us in a different way. So I've given you some examples of how I renew daily and why I do it. Now it's up to you.